It's actually a pretty good spot.
These wheelhouse was just at the
This would be a dope. Yeah, that was like where's Vince. This would be a dope interview spot. Like a car parked right here, and then like overlooking the background. If I do it, just jump in it.
I've been back in town where the whole squad is. I've been all around, yeah, what you call this? Coolin' with my clique, yeah, we flawless. Stocking on my pics, no, you saw this. I've been back in town where the whole squad is. I've been all around, yeah, what you call this? Coolin' with my clique, yeah, we flawless. Stocking on my pics, no, you saw this.
I know that you saw this shit, leave them in on shit. With all of my dogs breaking the laws, I'm getting lost in this. All the way we lit, Balenciaga's on the kicks. I've been popping hard as shit in any mile radius. To give you the truth though, I feel like a poppy chulo. Cause now we on top of the roof, busting out moves like this shit is sumo. The moment I step in the room and envy is feeling the gloom. Get shot at the cannon right in my direction, they passive aggressive and scared to be rude.
I mean, if you got a problem, just let me know.
Not a lot back in the alley, but fuck it, we send it again. Sorry that you cannot handle the harass shit, I do it all on my friends. Hey, no, I'm not Hollywood, but I shoot cinema films with the lens. I need a form for all of the torn, I'm thinking about putting a 10 on the bands.
I've been back in town where the whole squad is. I've been all around, yeah, what you call this? Coolin' with my clique, yeah, we flawless. Stocking on my pics, no, you saw this. I've been back in town where the whole squad is. I've been all around, yeah, what you call this? Coolin' with my clique, yeah, we flawless. You stocking on my pics, no, you saw it.
They tryna divide me, put me inside of a lane. Hold up a second refrain, haters been coming in waves. But I got ocean for property right up inside of their brains. Oh, what a shame, they don't keep up with the game. How I stutter, step back and forth on them when I'm stepping in and out the fucking frame. Hold up. Move with the crew, and everything we do is on another level, only stars really do. Dreams bulletproof, no way you getting through. If you disrespect the brand, you gon' hear it from the booth.
I've been back in town where the whole squad is. I've been all around, yeah, what you call this? Coolin' with my clique, yeah, we flawless. Stocking on my pics, no, you saw this. I've been back in town where the whole squad is. I've been all around, yeah, what you call this? Coolin' with my clique, yeah, we flawless. Stocking on my pics, no, you saw it. Ironic it is, I ain't got time for this shit. I put a lot into this, going psychotic for this. Gunning for all of you kids, they tryna put us in a fucking box. We steady making hits and taking shots.
I'm gonna touch it. steal them all. Yo, as soon as I was about to take the shot, he was like moving. Any old way. Okay, this is a weekday. It's pretty much dead because, you know, school's back in and all this other shit. It's not summertime, but it's starting to show. What the hell are you looking at? Here's the pack for today. Simba, the best dog, getting the plate. Mickey, so bad. This is Rico Lico, you know him. Congo, peas on you. You know cuteness. Okay, 5-month-old. This is Baby Toe. This is PewDiePie. Look at his eyes matching his coat. This is Pino. The little twerp you hear barking is Jefferson. This is Arthur. He's barking at him because he's looking like Arthur. Yeah, this is Gianni. He likes to hump. I don't know what his problem is. Look at a rat. Oh, where's my buddy? What the fuck is he doing? This fucking bird. That's Nigel. There's a fucking bird. Look at him. Fucking bird in here. What the fuck? What the hell are you looking at? See the bird? There's a damn bird in here. I was wondering, like, what the hell is his problem? I mean, normally legals are free, but not this much of it's free. Yeah. Where the hell the bird go, though? Look. See that shit? Fucking bird. Where'd they go? Look. Goddamn bird. Hey, dumb bird. Get out.
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.